Hi guys, it's Mariam. Today I'm gonna show you a small tutorial about Style3D AI. They recently launched their website providing AI creative design and AI empowered production solutions and smart AI commercial photography. So in this quick tutorial, I'm just gonna show you guys how you can achieve all of that. Let's just jump right into it. So in AI Creative Design tab, you can see there are different options on the left side. And the first one is text to style, where you can write a prompt and you can get your design done. The next one is image to style. You can upload a reference image and you can select a category in which you can select any specific silhouette you want, and you can select the material. And there are also a number of generated images if you want. There are 1 to 4 maximum. Then comes create a merge, in which you can merge two images together to come up with one design. In drawing to style, you can actually upload your own sketch, hand-drawn or even a technical drawing, and you can convert into a realistic garment. In style to sketch, you can upload your existing garment or even a 3D garment, and you can convert into a technical drawing, which is so useful for tech packs. In pattern generation, you can actually generate pattern with the help of AI. It's so cool. I think it's the coolest feature ever. You can upload a sketch or a 3D garment or any reference image, and you can even in the given description you can select from those and you can generate a pattern from all of that. This feature can be so helpful in the production of the garment. In Style Redraw, you can quickly change and modify any changes you want to make in your given image or design. In AI artwork, you can actually upload a reference image, or you can write a text description, a prompt, and you can generate a different print design or some kind of artwork if you want to use that in your garments. In fabric fitting, you can actually upload a garment picture, and you can also upload a fabric, and with that you can change the look and change the fabric of your garment. In color replacement, you can actually upload the garment or your reference image, and you can give your own Pantone color, and you can change the color of your garment. In Precise 3D Design tab, you are gonna find the Style3D library, where so many 3D really cool designs are available that you can actually manipulate, and you can also upload your own designs, and you can try them on in the AI photoshoot library. You can create new designs and merge and experiment with those designs to create new ones. That I'm gonna share with you guys in the next tutorial because it's gonna be very detailed. In AI photoshoot tab, you can see there are several options on the left side. The first one is garment try on. So you can actually upload multiple garments or one single garment. You can select top, bottom, dresses, suits, and you can try that garment on realistic model. You can even select different model if you want realistic garment effect but faster, or you want improved garment detail, more precise. You can select the option. You can select multiple garments on the body or one-piece garment. You can select a reference image from different AI models, and you can try your garment on them. In bag fitting, you can actually upload the image of your bag, 3D or reference image, and you can try that bag on an AI model. It's so cool feature. You can also select the type of a bag and the size. You can provide your reference image, and you can generate. In hat fitting, you can actually just upload the hat product image and you can try it on an AI model. You can also select AI model from select reference image. You can upload a model image and change her pose, and you can select any type of model from select reference image. In change model background, you can actually select any original model image you have, and you can change the model, you can change its background or the both. And you can also replace the model. They have certain options of models, female and male, and you can also select background scenes. In garment retouching, you can actually select any garment and enhance its fabric texture. You can adjust its retouching intensity and image size quality. In image to video, you can actually upload any model image, and you can describe the video content. You can write a prompt, what kind of video do you want. You can also write the things that you do not want in the video, and that is the negatives, like the blurry and low quality, that kind of stuff you can also write. You can also turn on the option of high quality. Generation duration, you can select if you want 5-second video or 10-second video. So that depends on the credit consumption. Also, the credit consumption detail is written down below, and everything you choose to do. I think this is really cool feature that you can just create any 3D garment, and you can upload this image, you can convert it into video, and you can directly post on social media or website. You can just directly market your product out there. So I actually created a short digital fashion film using this amazing feature, and I came up with this film called Rift, and it was so fun creating this. I designed this outfit entirely in Style3D, and then I uploaded the still render image, and I converted that still image render into a video. And yeah, that is just really cool feature. So that's it for today, you guys. Next time I will try to post more tutorials like these, and I hope you guys had fun learning something new today. If this video has helped you in any way, then do check out the link below, which has all of my socials, and give them a follow. Thank you for watching. See you next time.